Okay, so let's get started. This is initial lib main.code. From now on, we'll make this file step by step. Okay, so please scroll down. So first, rename lib main.dat to lib initial main.dat. I leave initial file for reference. There are a lot of useful commands and make empty lib main.dat file. So please open editor. This is initial file, so let's rename this. And under lib folder, please make a new file, main.dat. Okay, so please go back to document. And step 1, hello world. So step 1 dot main function. So first copy this code and paste here. So let's check this code. This is main function is came from dot code. So let's check dot document. Every app must have a top level main function which serves as an entry point to the app. The main function returns void and has optional list string parameter for argument. Okay, so let's go back to editor. So first, let's fix this. So please import this Flutter widget library. So if you hover this is void run app. So this is correct syntax, main function return void. Okay, so let's go back to document. Step 1, 2, stateless widget. Make my app stateless widget. So go back editor. So my app is undefined. That's why please type STLESS. So you can see this suggest and click here and type my app. So go back to document, add text widget, check container has child by hovering. So if you hover a container, you see child type is widget. This means container can take child property. So this child type is widget. That's why I can pass text widget. So text widget can take string type data. That's why I can do like this. Hello world. So let's check debug console. So the log is dirty, so clear log and restart again. It shows error. So let's check error. The following assertion was thrown building text hello world, no directionality widget found. So this error caused by text can take text direction and text direction. So please copy this property and you can do like this, text direction left to right. So if you save and restart, so everything works correctly. So let's check emulator here. So okay, so it working correctly. You see here very tiny hello world strings. Okay, so this is the finish of this step. If you are using material widget component like scaffold material, you don't need to specify text direction. So currently we are only using this container and text widget. That's why we need to specify text direction. But usually you don't need to specify text direction because it is always left to right.